What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. Today we're gonna be juicing. I bought some healthy and all organic products at our local Trader Joe's. This is gonna be a great replacement for your morning coffee. And this is gonna provide you with that boost of energy that we all need, as well as those nutrients and vitamins that we sometimes lack in our daily diet, including vitamin A, B9, and vitamin C. So we have our ingredients nice and chopped. We're gonna be putting in our ginger first. This is gonna give you a great immunity boost as well as great for antioxidants. And with ginger, a little is gonna go a long way. Next, we're gonna put in our beets. These are gonna be rich in folate, as well as help reduce the risk of cancer, as well as heart disease, and even generate new cells. Next, we got our apples. We all know, apple a day keeps that doctor away. Next, we got our carrots, which is full of vitamin A. Gonna be helping out our eyes, of course. We all can use that. Next, we're gonna be putting in some celery. This is gonna be a great source for hydration, as well as give you some vitamin K and vitamin C into your diets. We got all our product juiced and ready to go. We're ready for our pour. Oh, you can see all that nice color in there. Last but not least, we're gonna be putting in a little lemon. This is gonna give it some tart. We're gonna have a little spice with that ginger, and we're gonna have that sweetness with that apple. Why work harder when you can work smarter? This is gonna give us all that energy we need to start our day. Cheers. This was amazing, and this is what you need to start your day. With all this great ingredients and nutrients you're gonna be putting in your body, you're gonna have all the energy needed to kick ass every morning. As you can see, all these ingredients cost me only 12 bucks. And with what I have, I'll probably be able to make up to almost 12 drinks, averaging about $1 per drink. So instead of that $6 coffee you keep buying, have this in your morning diet. Once again, thank you guys for joining us. We appreciate all your feedback, so please comment below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks again. Peace. We out.